Hi there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gururo with a new video titled Cost of Living in Germany for Students. Planning on enrolling in German universities for your higher education? Well, first of all, kudos for choosing this country because German universities are known for providing excellent education with the added benefit of low fees. Not just this, the culture and tradition of Germany and the fact that it is closer to India compared to other countries providing distinguished studying opportunities are some prominent factors that attract Indian students. More so, the cherry on the cake is that Germany is much more affordable too when compared to other European countries. However, having a thorough knowledge about the overall expenditure that will ensue once you are a part of a university there is crucial. Before we go ahead, it's important to mention that these expenses vary with respect to the location you choose to stay at. Now, let's dive into it. University tuition fees. One of the greatest perks of studying in Germany is the low cost education you could avail by applying through Gururo. Gururo is a leading edtech company which offers excellent standard of education to students from top universities at low costs. If you choose to enroll yourself in a university through Gururo, your financial worries, at least in this particular aspect, can safely take a back seat. One of the best universities in Germany, IU University, has tie-ups with Gururo. On top of that, most degrees provided can be completed in a year less than the ordinary. For instance, most master's programs offered by Gururo are of a year instead of 2. That will save a lot of your time as well, which you could use to be more productive and upgrade your skills. To be a part of this exciting opportunity, do go through the website of Gururo to learn about the different programs and their eligibility criteria. Well, the situation reverses if you wish to enroll in a private university. These universities are much more expensive and also have the usual duration of study for their programs. So going for this option will cost you more, both in terms of money and time. Here is a comparison of the fees at IU University and a private university. IU University 2000 to 3000 euros. Private university 20,000 to 35,000 euros. Accommodation costs. Depending on the city, rent could be the biggest proportion of your monthly expenses. Some cities such as Frankfurt, Berlin and Cologne are cheaper, whereas cities such as Munich and Hamburg have higher rates of rent. Additionally, students have multiple options when it comes to accommodation depending on whether you prefer to stay alone or with other people or students. First, student residence. You live in a house with other students and share the kitchen and or bathroom. On an average, a room costs 245 euros per month. Flat shares. The next option comes to your rescue if you can't manage to get a student residence. It works the same as a student residence does. Just that the costs are a bit higher as it is 363 euros per month on average. Third, own flat. If you prefer to live alone, you can also opt for a flat with single accommodation. Students usually pay around 400 euros per month on an average. Now, food costs. As mentioned earlier, the expenses in this area too vary according to the city you reside in. The average price of some common food items are white bread 500 grams 0.62 euros, water 1.5 liters 0.43, milk 1 liter 0.75, 12 eggs 1.10, cheese 1 kg 5.63, potato 1 kg 1.50, tomato 1 kg 2.40 and onion 1 kg 0.85 euros. Now if you get bored of cooking your meals on a daily basis, you can give restaurants a try too. A meal at a decent restaurant on average costs 10 euros per person. This is not an alternative students choose very often given the high cost and the unhealthiness of outside food. As such, you may want to up your cooking game and be ready to cook most of your meals. University cafeterias and restaurants provide discounts to students. You could issue a membership card and avail the benefits. Furthermore, you could also eat food at local street vendors and food trucks. In summary, the food and grocery costs will amount to about euros 135 and euros 397 per month. Before going further, I want to tell you that Gururo provides top undergraduate and postgraduate programs
at a fractional cost. So if you want to advance in your career, consider booking a free consultation at the link in the description.
Let's discuss transportation costs. From attending your classes to buying everyday essentials, you will have to travel a lot. There are different modes of transport you could go for. For instance, the first preference of students is generally a bicycle. You should either buy one or rent it on nominal costs. Next is public transport. Here you can choose to travel on buses or a taxi. The latter is going to be quite expensive, which average from 1.55 to 2.50 euros per kilometer. However, a one-way ticket on a bus will usually cost 2 euros. But you could purchase a monthly ticket which will cost around 70 euros. If you own your own vehicle, then for your interest, the petrol prices are from 1.25 to 1.49 euros. Health insurance. Having health insurance is mandated by the law in Germany. It is also a prerequisite to get your visa. University students are eligible for public health insurance, and students above the age of 30 need to apply for private health insurance. This important expense will cost between 103 and 111 euros. Miscellaneous expenses. Probably one of the things you will dearly miss is the low charges at which you can get internet and mobile recharge services in India. The average cost of such expenses is 22 euros per month. Another aspect you need to be aware of: clothes. The average price of common items of clothing is one pair of jeans, Levi's 501, 76.59 euros. One summer dress in a chain store, 35.53 euros. One pair of Nike running shoes mid-range, 79.40 euros. Leisure. Being in a new country and being a student, you will have lots of excitement and opportunities to explore and hang out with your friends. This particular area should be given special attention, because if overlooked, you could end up overspending and stretching way past your decided budget. Going to cinemas and being a member of various clubs are some of the major entertainment activities students like to indulge in. The average cost for these are: fitness club monthly fee for one adult 30.36 euros, tennis court rent 1 hour on weekend 19.78 euros, cinema international release 1 seat 12 euros. Conclusion. In a nutshell, your stay as a student in Germany will incur upon you an average cost of total 750 to 1715 euros per month. Where and how you choose to spend your money will determine whether your stay will be enjoyable or stressful. It is advisable that before you reach Germany, you plan your monthly budget and spend accordingly. Overspending could become your enemy, especially in a new country where you barely know people and have to manage everything on your own. On top of this, you could also join internships or part-time jobs to earn money while you study. This will require efforts because you will have to allocate your time to your job besides going to college and balancing other aspects of life such as hanging out with friends, completing course, completing assignments, etc. You can get details about such opportunities from students at your university, social media platforms, or people you are sharing your accommodation with. All the best. So that's it from today. If you want more informative and interesting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Guru Ro.